Meet the smart objects in Photoshop. Press U or click here to access geometrical shapes. The shapes are in vector format. That means you can resize them or reshape them without losing any quality. Click the Fill drop-down palette to choose a fill color. And choose a stroke color by clicking here. The value of the stroke can be adjusted here. The next drop-down option is to choose the shape of the stroke. Press Shift to make a proper square. I want to make a circle of a different color in the middle. These are not all. You can also check Custom Shape tool to make even more shapes. Click the drop down here. By default, you will see these 17 shapes. But don't worry, there is a lot more. You just need to click the small settings icon, click all, and finally click Append. Choose any shape you like. If your desired color is not here, simply click on this icon and choose any color. Observe it, I'm looking for new colors for my new triangle shape. But suddenly the circle changes its color. Did you notice that? I have to undo that. Make sure when you choose color for your next object, no other objects are selected.